In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email associated with your Squarespace account. Start by navigating to Squarespace and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon visible on the screen and then select Account Dashboard. Now that you're on the account dashboard, click on the profile icon once again at the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Account and Security. On this page, you'll see your current email address along with an option labeled Change Email Address. Click on that. At this point, Squarespace will ask you to enter your current account password for verification. Type in your password and click Continue. Next, enter the new email address you'd like to use for your account. Re-enter the same email in the next box. After filling in all the required fields, click Save located at the top right corner of the account settings window. Your email address will now be successfully updated, and that's how you can change your email on Squarespace.